All right, this is the walk around of the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. It shows 101,000 miles on it. It is a 2-owner, no accidents reported. Has an LED light bar, LED lights on the side, CB in it, aftermarket front grille, aftermarket front bumper with fog lights, LED. It does have a rough country lift on it. Aftermarket 17-inch wheels. Soft top. Does have a backup camera. Matching spare tire. Tow package. Tires are practically new. Have a lot of good tread left on them. Light blue interior accents, Bluetooth phone and audio. Does have steering wheel controls. It is an automatic. Carpet has been removed, but it has rubber Jeep floor mats, which are very nice quality. We'll get a better shot of the back there. It does have cup holders here for the back. Even with the lift on it, does have grab handles. Even with the lift on it, it drives really good. Open up the back here. As you can see, it does not have power locks. Here is your CB, and your antenna is right there. It is an aftermarket radio. It does have it does have LED lights that change colors in the headlights. I'll show you those. As you can see, you can do blue, red, purple, whatever color you want, orange, green. So you can turn them off, brighten them up, however bright you want them. Green, blue, red, white. Air conditioning, radio, everything works on it. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. All right, you can see 101,000 miles. The airbag light is on. It is a steering sensor that has been recalled by Jeep. It is a free fix, but they are 2 weeks out on the appointment here before they can even get it in. They diagnose it to make sure that it is a steering sensor, which I know it is from buying and selling these Jeeps. Then it is anywhere from 4 to 6 months to get the part because it is on back order. So the airbag light is on, and the person that buys this, I will recommend making an appointment right away with Jeep to get it in there and get it diagnosed and get the process of getting that fixed. The tire pressure light that's blinking right there is because of the aftermarket wheels. It does not have the sensors in them. You can put the sensors in them, but it is $75 per tire to do it. So I opted out to not do it. So if you have any questions about this vehicle, please let us know. Or if you have any questions about any vehicle that we have in our inventory, we are happy to help. You can call or text us at that number listed below. But this car does not have any shakes or anything like that in it. I mean, it rides really good. Tires are really good. Jeeps kind of have a problem sometimes with shaking around 40 and 60 miles an hour. But this one has no issues. As you can see, we're doing 50 and the steering wheel is straight. So this concludes the drive video, or the drive portion of this video. Like I said, if you have any questions or concerns, just feel free to give us a call or text us at that number listed below. The underneath of the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Some seepage around the rear end there. Very clean underside.